Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to find template in Capcut. Well, first of all, just need to make sure that your Capcut is up to date. Go to your Google Play Store, search for Capcut, and if an update button shows up, just need to tap on update. Once you've done, tap on open to open this Capcut app. Now here, basically, you will find some options here at the bottom where you can find Discover. And here on Discover, you will find all the available templates that you can use to your videos. But basically, if you don't have this option right here at the bottom, just simply go to the next step, which is going to your Chrome browser. Now here on your Chrome browser, just need to search for Capcut templates. So here on these results, as you can see, you will find the official website of Capcut. So you just need to tap on the Capcut templates website. Then once you tap on that, you will now go to the main page. So basically, here you will find all the templates that you can use, all the available templates that you can use to your video. So basically, if you want to use that template, so tap on that, and then an option here or button shows up saying use template. So you just need to tap on use template, and it will automatically opens up your CapCut application. But if it's not going to your CapCut application, you just need to tap on the three dots right there at the top right hand corner, and then you just have to select the desktop site. And here, as you can see, it is now looks like your desktop. Now here you can pin to zoom in, and you just need to tap on that use template, and you will basically go to the online editor of CapCut. So you can use that template on your video. So that's all. That's how you basically find template in CapCut. So thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel.